In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Word docs in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be confidently opening a Word file from your Drive, making edits, and knowing exactly how your changes are saved. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon made of small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to reveal the list of Google services available to you. From the panel that opens, choose Drive. This takes you to your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. If you keep things organized, you'll see your folders in My Drive. If the Word document you want is shared with you, you can also find it quickly using the search bar at the top. Just type the file name. You're looking for a file with the .doc or .docx extension, which indicates a Microsoft Word document. Once you've located the Word document, open it with a simple double click. Depending on your settings, it may open in a preview window first. If it does, click Open with Google Docs at the top to start editing. Google Drive supports editing Word files directly, and you'll notice the familiar Google Docs toolbar appear, letting you type, format text, insert images, and more. If you have the right access, you'll be able to edit immediately. You'll know you have editing access if you can place your cursor in the document and type without any warnings. If you see a message that the file is view only, that means the owner hasn't granted you permission to edit. In that case, you'll need the owner to change your access before you can make changes to the original file. When editing is enabled, you can work normally, fix wording, adjust formatting, and collaborate with others. If others are in the file at the same time, you may see their cursors and live updates as they type. As you work, you don't have to worry about saving. Google Drive saves your edits automatically every few seconds. Watch the status near the top. It will briefly show saving and then switch to All Changes Saved in Drive. That confirmation means your latest edits are securely stored. If you make a mistake, version history lets you review or restore earlier versions later. That's it. You went to Google, opened Drive, accessed your Word document, edited it when you had permission, and relied on automatic saving to keep everything up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!